Hey everyone, you're getting ready for internships, your first job, or continuing your education. And I want to talk about the one skill that's going to make or break your success: teamwork. I know some of you are thinking, I work better alone, or group projects are the worst. But here's the reality: whether you're going into healthcare, manufacturing, IT, culinary arts, or automotive repair, you cannot succeed alone anymore. Think about it. If you're in nursing, you're working with doctors, technicians, and other nurses on every patient. In manufacturing, your team might include machinists, quality control, and safety coordinators. In culinary, you've got front of house, prep cooks, and managers all depending on each other. Even if you're planning to be an electrician, you're coordinating with general contractors, plumbers, and inspectors on every job site. Here's what they don't teach you in CTE programs: every workplace has invisible teamwork codes. Some auto shops reward the mechanic who mentors apprentices. Some hospitals value the nurse who keeps everyone calm during emergencies. You need to read the room fast and figure out what leadership actually values. Now let's talk about when teams break down, because they will. In a busy restaurant kitchen, you might get the silent treatment after someone messes up an order. In a construction crew, deadline pressure can turn into the blame spiral, where everyone's pointing fingers instead of solving problems. But here's your advantage. When communication breaks down, call a quick huddle. Give everyone a chance to speak without interruption. When blame starts flying, shift focus from who messed up to how do we fix this now. These aren't just nice ideas, they're emergency protocols that actually work. Let's be real about personalities too. That detail-focused coworker who's slowing down your manufacturing line, they need clear quality standards upfront. The team lead who dominates every safety meeting suggests structured speaking turns. Most team problems are people problems in disguise. Technology is changing how we collaborate too. You might be troubleshooting IT issues remotely with team members, using apps to coordinate with other trades on a job site, or managing inventory systems with your retail team. The future belongs to people who can work with both technology and people. Your teamwork reputation follows you everywhere. In the trades, word spreads fast about who you can count on during tough jobs. In healthcare, colleagues remember who stayed calm during a patient emergency. You build that reputation through small actions: responding quickly when someone needs help, sharing useful tips, admitting mistakes without drama. So here's my challenge. Instead of dreading your next group project, use it as practice. Notice who steps up during problems, who checks out when things get tough, who builds bridges between different personalities. Start developing your reputation as someone who makes every team better. Whether you're heading into HVAC, cosmetology, cybersecurity, or welding, companies desperately need people who can work across different backgrounds and skill levels. Master these skills now, and you'll never lack opportunities. Because here's the truth: the best team players don't just do their job well, they make everyone around them better. And that makes you absolutely invaluable in any field you choose. So go practice. Your career depends on it.